Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Car Haul series, 1/64 inch scale die-cast cars. This is Car Haul number 16, so if you have any questions or concerns, please refer to this Car Haul number 16. Let's go and get started on these. I'm going to pull all these to the front. Now this is not a 1/64 inch scale, but it is a school bus. Stop sign still opens up. It has Toyotoys, Toyotoys. Anyway, that's what that one is. We have a majorette 4x4 crazy car. Yep, and they weren't kidding about this one. Check out this exhaust coming out the side here. It does roll. Maybe those two would go together. Now this one's see-through, not really my style. I don't like the yellow wheels. Phantasm, not Phantasm, Phantasm. Mattel, number 1186 on top. Let's just stack that one up over there. Now I have shown one of these in another video. It was not this color though. This is a Hot Wheels 1993. Stack that one up. Another one of these cheap plastic cars. Not even going to talk about that one. How about this? Can't really call this a tow truck. This tow car. It's missing the chain on the back. This is a Hot Wheels. I'm sure that's the most common thing that turns up missing on these cars. So, what am I going to do with this? Maybe I can turn this into a pickup truck. Anyway, let's stack that one up. Got another, who is this? Motormax. Motormax. This is the first one of these that I've seen in my collections. Another one of these weird concept cars. Not my style. I don't like them. I'm not going to keep them. Mattel Hot Wheels. We have another Mattel Hot Wheels plastic bottom 2003 Rapid Transit. What you think about that one? What you think about that one? What in the world? This is ridiculous. Hot Wheels. I kind of like the color of these wheels and tires, but they are kind of jacked up a little bit. What am I going to do with this one? I just know this one's not going to stay in my possession very long, whatever happens to it. We have a Mercedes Maisto. Is that a Maisto? Yep, Mercedes-Benz. Still has the mirrors on the side. This one needs a lot of work. The whole dashboard's missing. This is a Porsche Roadster. Needs a lot of help. Oh, I'm going to save that one. What do we have here? We have a Hot Wheels. It is what it is. I don't know what these are supposed to be. Here we have a Cadillac truck with a, what do you call those cars? Not Pinewood Derbies, but the other kind of cars that you race downhill. I can't remember the name of them. Anyway, this is not a bad looking car at all. This is a Hot Wheels. Custom Hot Wheels. Soapbox Derby. Soapbox, that's what those are. Okay, this is why I pulled this one back. An old Chevy 2 wagon. I like this thing. This is going to be saved for my personal collection. It is a number 1186 or 1166, 2012 Mattel X1624. Growing up as a kid, well, of course I was a kid growing up, but anyway, my parents had a Chevy 2 station wagon, but theirs was the light blue color that was so famous back then. Brings back memories of which is why I'm going to save this one. Anyway, I remember several trips. Me and one of my brothers had to sit in the back, and my other brother and two sisters got to sit in the seat, and of course mom and dad in the front. But since I was the youngest, I was always in the back with no cushion. Fond memories. Anyway, I do appreciate watching. This is video car haul number 16. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment in the section below. If I can't answer it, hopefully somebody else can. I do appreciate watching.